DSX E-Tense. This concept car known as the DSX E-Tense is probably the most out-of-this-world vehicle we've seen today, but rest assured that the folks at DS are working tirelessly to make their dream a reality. French automaker DS is known for making some of the wildest luxury cars on the market, so this concept is really no surprise. The biggest thing here undoubtedly is the car's look, opting for a 3-seat layout as opposed to your average 2 or 4. And then going for a half hardtop, half convertible look, the driver's seats completely exposed while the passengers remain enclosed with a roof over their heads. So even if you're with friends, you can feel like you're cruising down the streets all your own with the wind in your hair. And keeping with the theme of separation, the DSX E-Tense has 2 separate engines to be used on different occasions. This concept comes with 2 modes, one meant for your daily commute, driving to the grocery store and picking up the kids, while the other's meant for the racetrack. That's right, this concept vehicle doubles as a race car and is the perfect model for any wealthy suburbanite leading a fast-paced double life. Like so many other vehicles, the E-Tense is built with fully autonomous driving, so if you choose, it has an awesome power rating of over 1,300 horsepower.